again, guys. So I'm waiting for Brandon to get here. We are going to go get lunch really quick. I just finished doing my mom's eyebrows. She came over like at 10 and like I finished maybe 2 hours ago. It looks really good, and I have to redo mine again because they're well, at least this one I have to redo. But we're going to Bica Cafe. It's a Portuguese cafe. I hope it's really good. We've never been. I hope that's where he wants to go. We don't even know if that's where he wants to go, but he said he's pulling up, and he's a lie. I've been here for 5 minutes and he has not pulled up. But like really how they are. What are you saying?
That is, what was it? I saw this like on Amazon. Look over there.
It's just like a tunnel.
There's a tunnel there?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Go in there. Ow, my hair.
It's like a hobbit houses. For short people. Ooh, I like this.
Not cool.
Look at that.
And then that's it. That's the end of the tunnel, really.
That's it?
Yeah.
And you're going to turn around?
Let's see. Takes you out the other side, I think, where we were going. You can see. I never went all the way down here before.
Oh, let's put this way. Really over here.
What? Asian boonie version.
No, not where I live now.
Oh, almost fell.
It's not a progress. It's more like.
The red ants were scary. It's hard to like focus and like record at the same time.
Good morning.
I'm taking a video.
I'm taking a video now.
Hi, good morning. Happy Juneteenth. I know it's been a minute since that last video that I had, but I woke up amazing this morning and well, I was gonna get breakfast by myself. My friend wanted to go with me, so he's picking me up. We're gonna go to Little Italy and go to a Parakeet Cafe, and then I'm going to the fair later and meet my other friends, and that's gonna be exciting. So that's the move for today. But I really wanted to ride the trolley today to go down to Little Italy, but as I said, he was like, let's go. And I was like, okay, fine, you can pick me up. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm waiting for him to get here, and this is my fit for today. I might wear this at the fair. It's like, what time is it? It's like 11. I don't know, it's supposed to be hot today, and I might change my outfit. I'm not sure, because I don't know, I feel like I should look different at the fair. I'm just want to go shopping and see what's there. So sorry I keep touching my hair. Why am I talking so fast? Okay, I'll see you guys at the cafe. I'm back in the house because trying to go to the fair today is crazy. The traffic is nuts, like absolutely nuts. I went to go to the free parking lot with the free shuttle to the fair, and some people were saying they were waiting in line for like an hour. I was like, oh no baby, I'm going home. And then my other friend, I saw her on my my maps. She was on the freeway to get there like at 11:30. I was like, cool, okay, when I head home, I'm gonna go, you know, meet her there. By the time I came home to go to the parking, she barely even got off the exit. I was like, girl, another time, because everyone's off today, everybody and their mama. So I just got home. It's like 2, 3. I was gonna go back out again, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay home. I got some food. I got some poke and ice cream, and I'm just gonna watch TV, maybe do my nails, and then get ready for work the next 4 days, and then I'm off to New York. So I might be back when I come back on when I'm in New York. Who knows? Because I know during the week I have nothing going on in my life. So I'll talk to you guys later.